Hi everyone, Roger here from Ask Car Experts YouTube channel. I just wanted to go over something that I feel is pretty important, and that is doing a brake flush on your vehicle. Brake fluid absorbs moisture. Performing a brake flush is pretty important. Brake flushes are performed every 2 years. I saw a few posts about a tool that can measure how much moisture is actually in your brake fluid, and then the person had said, well, the brake fluid doesn't have a lot of moisture in it, therefore it does not need to be done. I don't actually agree with that statement. So the idea is you want to catch your brake fluid before there's too much moisture. If there already is too much moisture using one of those measuring devices, it's already too late, and the moisture can cause a very expensive repair. Now, I've seen DSC hydraulic units, which is over here, and you have all these lines that go to your reservoir over here in your master cylinder, and that has to feed this very expensive component. Now, when you don't do your brake flushes, and I've seen this happen on a couple of cars in the shop where they've never had a brake flush done, it will clog the internal mechanism because there's valves in here, and those valves will get tarnished and they will clog. And what happens is all of these lines go out to your brake calipers. You will get no output and you will get poor braking. And a lot of times when that happens, you cannot clean the system. We've tried it, it doesn't work. You actually have to replace the whole hydraulic unit, which is very expensive. This is not a very costly repair, and you can even do it as a DIY, with a special tool. This is just a brake flush suction. This reservoir sits on top of the other reservoir, and it feeds the system as I suck the brake fluid out from each respective caliper. And you always want to start from your farthest caliper, so I'm going to do the far back, then this one over here, then the one on the passenger, then the one on the driver. And your farthest circuit is the farthest one, right? So your line from there to there, and then there is a little bit shorter, and that is your shortest. So you want to do the most fluid out of that one, and then you could actually take a little bit less fluid from here and here. And again, you want to do this before it reads too much moisture in your system. The last one we ended up having to replace this module right here, which is the hydraulic pump, and the hydraulic pump comes free with a new module, which is very expensive, thousands of dollars, plus programming. Plus, after we had all that done, we did find that the calipers themselves were also compromised. So when we had checked this, we checked our feed in, and our feed in was good. And when you crack these lines, we'd have either no flow or poor flow. And once that system is contaminated, there's no going back. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Just like oil changes, don't do them on BMW's recommended service every 10,000. At least split it in half, do 5,000 or less, and maintain the internals of your engine well. Same thing, don't wait, do the 2 years. Don't use that tool and find out that you're already too late. Make sure to do your brake flushes, I would say, at least every 2 years. If you want to save money, just do it yourself. Please like, subscribe, or follow for more automotive tips. And let me know what you think. When's the last time you did a brake flush?